Weather Scope.
Well, it's a wet one in the Northeast tonight with rain pounding New England plus snow in the western Great Plains. Hi, I'm Christina Abernathy.
And I'm Warren Madden. Thanks for joining us here at the Weather Channel. We'll take a look at the forecast across the country in just a couple of minutes. But first, the rain in the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic. For example, the coast is starting to move away, but it is taking its very sweet time doing so. And the reason why is that we have an upper level storm system that is just sitting and camped out here across the eastern United States. Last night it was sitting right around Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Tonight it's sitting central Virginia, say around Richmond or to the southwest of Richmond. And as long as this upper level system sits and spins, we're going to continue to see an inflow of moisture into the mid-Atlantic and then being spun up into New England. However, the good news is that during the day on Sunday, we're expecting this low to slow. One is right here. You can track it making a right-hand turn and turning right on into the Chesapeake Bay area. Our second blob right here. Look at this. This is heading north, and it's getting ready to move on shore into the Cape, the islands, Long Island, and then into southern New England. Let's look at each in detail. Here's the first one. Boy, you want to talk about some heavy rain coming on into the Baltimore area, Annapolis heading on down toward Washington, D.C. Looks like it'll be kind of spinning back down in toward Richmond as well. Now, western Pennsylvania, not seeing very much in the way of rain right now. Some light drizzle here in central Pennsylvania around State College heading over in toward Altoona. Altoona, you saw over 6.5 inches of rain out of this storm, and we still have a flood warning for Clearfield County, southern Clearfield. Look at this spin right here. That is a little upper level disturbance that's being whirled around our large upper level low that's farther to the south. Remember I showed it to you in Virginia? Well, this upper level disturbance, this little spin in the atmosphere, imagine it's like a little whirlpool. It is moving northwestward in toward Atlantic City, and look at the heavier rain right ahead of it. So Atlantic City, get ready for a pounding of rain coming down here, some heavy rain coming on, and eventually as this continues northwestward, it'll be heading up in toward Philadelphia. So residents of Philadelphia, you'd better get ready too. Farther to the north, right now things a little wet here, especially off the coast, out over Boston Light, heading up toward Cape Ann and Gloucester. Also seeing some heavier rain into northwestern Massachusetts, northwestern